Hola and bienvenidos. Welcome to Lito's Language Lab. This is an exciting place where we'll practice the Spanish words and phrases you've learned in your recent lessons. Here's how it works. I'll introduce each new word, and then you'll hear it pronounced by our native Spanish speaker, Mr. Roberto. He'll say each word slowly so you can clearly hear every sound. You'll see the word on the screen, hear it broken down by syllables, and then hear it again at normal speed, just like native speakers say it. One other thing, when you hear me say things like, say, suitcase, remember, that doesn't mean to repeat the English word suitcase. It means I want you to say the Spanish word for suitcase. After all, this is a Spanish class. So if I say suitcase, your response should be maleta. Got it? Perfect. Your job is to speak in Spanish, not English. Are you ready to begin? Vamos. Let's go. Listen how to say I have.
Tengo. Tengo. Tengo.
Did you hear Mr. Roberto as he broke that word into syllables? You can also see and hear that one of those syllables is what we call the tonic syllable. It's the syllable that gets the pow, meaning it is stressed a bit stronger than the other syllables. Ten is the syllable that gets the pow in this word. This is very important when learning to speak Spanish, as putting that pow in the right place means all the difference in speaking like a native Spanish speaker. Let's say that one more time. I have.
Tengo.
Excellent. Let's do it once again. Say, I have.
Tengo.
Fantastic. Now, let's listen how to say suitcase.
Maleta. Maleta. Maleta.
Did you see here that second to last syllable, le, is the syllable that gets the pow? That's why you hear the word go up in the middle and then drop at the end. Maleta. Say suitcase. In Spanish, of course.
Maleta.
Let's say that one more time. Suitcase.
Maleta.
Now, listen how to say my suitcase.
Mi maleta.
We're adding the possessive adjective here for my and giving ownership to our belongings. This is my suitcase. Say, my suitcase.
Mi maleta.
Great. Let's say that one more time. My suitcase.
Mi maleta.
Now let's put that together and listen how to say, I have my suitcase.
Tengo mi maleta.
It's your turn now. Say, I have my suitcase.
Tengo mi maleta.
Awesome. Let's say that one more time for practice. I have my suitcase.
Tengo mi maleta.
Perfect. Now let's start working with other words to replace suitcase and build even more sentences. Listen how to say map.
Mapa. Mapa. Mapa.
Say map.
Mapa.
Let's say that one more time. Map.
Mapa.
Great. Listen how to say, I have my map.
Tengo mi mapa.
Now it's your turn. Say, I have my map.
Tengo mi mapa.
Let's say that one more time. I have my map.
Tengo mi mapa.
Now for our next word. Listen how to say passport.
Pasaporte. Pasaporte. Pasaporte.
That's our biggest word yet, a 4-syllable word. These may be a bit trickier to pronounce, but if we break it down syllable by syllable, it's so much easier. Imagine bouncing a ball with each syllable. 4 bounces in all. Pa-sa-por-te. Say passport.
Pasaporte.
Excellent. Let's say that one more time. Passport.
Pasaporte.
How would you say, I have my passport?
Tengo mi pasaporte.
Did you get that? Let's say that again. I have my passport.
Tengo mi pasaporte.
Perfect. Now let's add another. Adventure. After all, we're on our Spanish adventure, so it's great to know this word in Spanish. Listen how to say adventure.
Aventura. A-ven-tu-ra. Aventura.
That's another longer 4-syllable word. Using our bouncing method, practice one syllable at a time until they all come together.
A-ven-tu-ra.
Say adventure.
Aventura.
Excellent. Let's say that one more time. Adventure.
Aventura.
How would you say, I have my adventure?
Tengo mi aventura.
I know that sounds a little silly. I have my adventure. But once we start adding more words to this sentence, it'll start making a bit more sense. For now, we'll work with this sentence as it is, and even add some sillier ones as we go. Say, I have my adventure.
Tengo mi aventura.
Perfect. Now let's move to the new vocabulary we learned in Lesson 1 of our Mexico unit. In this lesson, we learned the Spanish words for country, capital, flag, and the directional word north. Let's start with country. Listen how to say country.
País. País. País.
This is our first Spanish word with that accent mark. Did you notice that the syllable with the accent mark is the syllable that gets the pow? It's our tonic syllable and stressed a bit more than the others. This accent mark tells us which syllable gets the pow. There are pronunciation rules that we won't get into. Don't worry, I won't make you memorize them just yet. But those rules tell us how to know what syllable gets the pow. When a word does not follow these pronunciation rules, we have to use this accent mark to tell us how to pronounce it. For now, all you need to know is that when this accent mark is used, it tells us which syllable to stress more strongly, which one gets the pow. But let's get back to speaking Spanish. Say country.
País.
Let's say that one more time, making sure to hear those 2 syllables this word is broken into.
País.
How would you say, I have my country?
Tengo mi país.
Excellent. Let's say that one more time. I have my country.
Tengo mi país.
Now, for our next new word, capital. Listen how to say capital.
Capital. Capital. Capital.
Did you notice this word is spelled exactly the same in Spanish as it is in English? We will see this with various words that are spelled the same in both Spanish and English. Just be mindful to always pronounce it correctly when you're speaking Spanish. Words may look the same, but they definitely don't sound the same. Did you also notice how that tonic syllable, that syllable that is the strongest, that gets the pow, is at the end of the word? We have to pay attention to stress that right syllable or we won't be pronouncing the word correctly. Now it's your turn. Say capital.
Capital.
Let's say that one more time, hearing those 3 syllables and that pow, that strong syllable at the end of the word. Say capital.
Capital.
How would you say, I have my capital?
Tengo mi capital.
Great. Say that one more time. I have my capital.
Tengo mi capital.
Wow, you're picking Spanish up so well. Let's keep going. Our next noun to work with is flag. Listen how to say flag.
Bandera. Bandera. Bandera.
Did you hear those 3 syllables? That pow syllable in the center of the word on the de? Say flag.
Bandera.
Let's say that one more time. Flag.
Bandera.
Perfect. How would you say, I have my flag?
Tengo mi bandera.
Excellent. Let's say that one more time. I have my flag.
Tengo mi bandera.
Fantastic. The last word we'll work with from Lesson 1 is north, one of our direction words that helps us know where countries are located, as in north, south, east, and west. Listen how to say north.
Norte. Norte. Norte.
Did you hear those two syllables with the pow syllable on the nor? Say north.
Norte.
Let's say that one more time. North.
Norte.
We're not ready to start using this word in our sentences, but we want to be sure we can remember how to use this directional term. Now that we've heard and practiced our new Spanish vocabulary, let's see how we do with a little review. Say, my flag.
Mi bandera.
Say, my country.
Mi país.
Say, my capital.
Mi capital.
Say, my adventure.
Mi aventura.
Say, my passport.
Mi pasaporte.
Say, my map.
Mi mapa.
Say, my suitcase.
Mi maleta.
Do you remember how to say I have?
Tengo.
Do you remember how to say north?
Norte.
Excellent. And for one final sentence, say, I have my passport.
Tengo mi pasaporte.
That's fantastic work. You're doing great. I'm sure you can hear how your pronunciation is improving. These videos will help you remember your Spanish words and train your ear to sound more like a native speaker. Now that you've got your pasaporte, don't forget to bring it to our next class as we continue exploring the beautiful country of Mexico and build even more Spanish vocabulary together. Hasta luego, which means see you later.